Sheesh. Bro, it looks bagged almost. I love it. This is exactly what I envisioned, bro. God, dude. Alright guys, it's the next day now. We're about to go pick up some new tires for the Corvette and for this car. And the only car that can fit 4 tires is the G80. So we gotta take the little work truck today. Luckily, these seats fold down, which is good. I'm telling you, it's the best daily and best car you could buy for the money, bro, the G80. I picked up tires multiple times with this car. When I went to Miami, I put all the merch in here. I put a canopy in here as well, the whole booth set up. This car is very practical, bro. Not only that, but it has the digital screens, the digital dash. It's super fast. Bro, it's the best car for the money, guys. I'm sorry. I know there's a lot of G80 haters out there, but I love my G80, bro. Anyways, we're gonna go pick up the tires today. We got 4 new tires. I gotta buy 2 for this car because the B-locks are coming next week, guys. I'm super excited to throw those wheels on. But the wheels are smaller. These are 19s. We're going down to a size 18. So that means I need to get bigger, smaller tires, but bigger tires, if that makes sense. The 18 size tire, 45 sidewall, right? And I think we're going 315, so way wider than these. These are 305s. There's gonna be a fat tire on this car. Also gonna get 2 new rear tires for the Corvette as well. So 4 tires in total. The reason why I'm buying 2 new tires for the Corvette is because I bought new wheels for the car. I've been mentioning that in the last couple videos. Fronts are fine, but the Corvettes are really wide in the back. So I'm gonna put like a meaty Toyo R888 on the back. So both the G80 and the Corvette are gonna have some meaty tire setups. It's gonna look sick. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, hopefully this new tire setup helps with that. It's no joke trying to build multiple cars. Trying to build multiple cars at once is no joke, dude. It's a lot of freaking money. I'm trying to buy tires for this car, trying to buy tires for the Corvette. I'm trying to do too much, dude, to all the cars. We're wrapping the R8. I had to repaint the new bumper on the F80. I'm trying to build the Corvette still too. I want to cam it, I want to build the motor, I want to do all this stuff to it. It's just not easy to build multiple cars at once. If I had one car, you know, I could probably make that car insane. Imagine if the G80 was my only car. Like how crazy we could actually make it. If I didn't have to pay for an RA or put money into the RA or put money into any of the other cars and just put all the money into this. Imagine how crazy the freaking G80 would be. It would be single turboed, fully gutted, X-Drive converted. I don't even know, bro. We would go crazy on it. But the fact that I have 4 cars now and I'm trying to build them all insanely crazy and just build them all up, it's very expensive, bro, to do them all at once. But that is why I'm so thankful for every time you guys cop the merch. The merch is like the biggest thing to like support the channel and help me keep making these crazy videos for you guys and the crazy content for you guys and building the crazy cars for you guys. So everyone who cops the merch, thank you so much. New merch shop, I'm trying to work on it soon. But yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, that is the biggest way you guys can help, is to cop the merch. Thank you guys for everyone who does. I appreciate it so much. Got some Toyo R888s, which I've never had before. It's my first set of R888s. I've always wanted them. It's always been like a dream tire of mine. I know that sounds crazy, but I mean, the design is so sick. And I feel like the name Toyo is just so iconic, bro. Like ever since growing up, I would go to these car shows. Like when I was a little kid, going to car shows, and I would see these like Liberty Walk GTRs on Toyo R888s. And I've always thought they were just so like unobtainable. I don't know why, bro. They're just like an iconic tire, you know what I mean? I've never had a set. We're gonna test them out. These are actually gonna go on the Corvette. We're going 305, 35, 18. These are very sticky, I've heard, so I think we should be pretty good on grip. And for this car, we have the Nitto G2s on this car. Does not hook. I think if you're like normal driving, if it was like a stock G80, it would be fine, but since the fact that this thing is tuned and has so much torque, these tires do not work. Also, we've done some little, yeah, so they're kind of bald too. But this time we got Nitto R2, so these are more like the race compound. Better than those. Those are more for the street. These are more for grip. So these should be better. Obviously bigger sidewall than those. These are 40s. If these don't work on the G80, I might have to do Mickey Thompson's. That's why when I had to go to Fresh Kicks, told me to get like the street R's, the slicks, the ones that he has on his G82. He told me it literally feels like you turn your rear wheel drive G80 into an X-Drive. And I was gonna do it, but those tend to wear out really fast, and I drive the heck out of my G80. Like it's literally practically my daily. Drive a lot, and I know those Mickey Thompsons are gonna go by crazy. Hopefully these hook, because these actually last a lot longer. But yeah, if you guys need any tires, hit up my boy Tire Bullies. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. I always tell you guys, he is the tire plug. If you guys want any kind of tires, any brand, any size, he can get them for you. All right, let's load them up. Will they fit? I hope so. Yeah, these are huge. Oh my God, they don't even fit in the car. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Tell me this car isn't practical, dude. And if they had wheels on them, they would still fit. I did dirty the freaking black cats though. No. If you know, you know, bro. These shoes are not cheap. This is the next day now. We got the tires in the G80 and we got the new wheels for the Corvette right there. I can't wait to show you guys these new wheels, bro. I know there's gonna be a ton of people that love these wheels, and there's also gonna be a ton of people that hate that I'm doing this to a Corvette. Let's head to the tire shop right now. We're gonna swap these new tires onto these wheels, and then we'll go mount them on the car. So let's go. All right, we have made it back home, and are you guys ready to see the new wheel setup for the Corvette? I don't know if you guys are ready, bro. This looks insane. I put them next to the car so we can just kind of get like an idea of how it's gonna look. Check this out. Your boy got more TEs, guys. TEs on the Corvette. There's no way. Bro, honestly, it's gonna look sick, dude. Oh my God. I know a lot of people probably already guessed what wheels I was gonna do on this car. You guys knew it, bro. You guys knew I was gonna do TEs. Look how meaty the rear tires look. Toyo R888s. Like I said, we need this tire for the power that we're gonna be making on this car. Probably one of my fastest cars when it's done. So you guys knew we had to get that fat tire on the back. I know a lot of people aren't gonna like it, because this is a JDM wheel on an American muscle car. I also can already hear the comments that I'm copying Fresh Kicks. Guys, I'm over that. Kicks had this car like 5 years ago, all right? Did I take some inspiration? Yes, but I'm not copying him completely, you know? At least I'm not going gloss black wheels, all right? Kicks is the homie, dude. I literally showed him the car before I even got it. I don't know how the fitment's gonna be. We're definitely gonna have to test that. We're kind of just experimenting because these wheels came off an F80 M3. Same exact specs that I have on my F80 over there. Yeah, hopefully it just works, you know? Hopefully we don't have no issues. TEs on the G80? Bro, this would be fire. I feel like it would be perfect on this car because they match the clear taillights. I think I gotta get another set of TEs. TEs, and then we got some more TEs on the F80. How crazy is this? That I have 2 sets of TEs now. I remember there was one point in life when I wanted T37 so bad. I remember looking online and I was like, damn, dude, I want those wheels, but they were just so expensive and so out of touch for me at that time. I'm so thankful, bro, but this is what I work hard for, guys. This is what I like spending my money on, is my cars. I love building cars. I just have a passion for it, a hobby for it, and the fact that I can make it my job too is just the best job in the world, bro. I always tell you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Without you guys, none of this will be possible. But also without hard work, none of this will be possible, guys. And I really hope that every single vlog that I put up motivates you guys just a little bit. If I can do it, you guys can too, I promise. Trust me, guys, I was there when I couldn't afford TEs. There was a time when I just could not, bro. I couldn't fathom spending like $3,000 plus for some wheels for my car. So you know what else is crazy? My R8 has $10,000 BBS wheels. That is ridiculous, I'll be honest. The reason I did that is because I just wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone for one, and just put my dream wheels on my dream car. I've always wanted an R8, and I've always wanted BBSs, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm gonna do it for myself, and I'm gonna work hard, and I'm gonna buy those wheels. My dream wheels on my dream car. All right, guys, we made it to Daniel's house. I let him drive it. You like it or what?
I love it.
It's sick, right?
It is one of the best driving cars, especially this chassis right here.
That's what I heard.
It's naturally aspirated, so as soon as you get on it,
it's fast.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, that was the first time I've been in the passenger seat. It always feels faster when you're in the passenger seat. I was like, damn, this thing actually is pretty fast, bro. We're finally gonna throw the wheels on, which I'm so excited to see. Hopefully they fit, because they are F80 specs. They came off an F80, and we're putting them on a Corvette. We're also gonna try to lower it too, so yeah, kind of just testing it today. I think everything should work smoothly though. We could put the HREs on here too, huh? Imagine some HREs on the Vet. But they would fit because it's literally F80 bolt patterns. It's like I said, not only are we putting the new wheels on, but we're also gonna lower the car. And what's cool about the Corvette is you can lower it on stock suspension, which is kind of crazy. No coilovers needed, nothing like that. It's literally just this bolt. Hopefully it goes low enough. If it doesn't, we probably will have to do coilovers, but I think this will be pretty freaking low, which I've heard. But yeah, shout out to Jimmy. He actually gave me these. These are actually aftermarket ones. I'll show you guys the stock ones when we pull them out, but Daniel's trying to take it out right now, actually. But this sits in there like that, and there's a bolt on top. That's how you adjust the height, which is kind of crazy. And it's crazy how this is all designed. Like usually a coilover is supposed to go up to here, right? Like the top of the fender?
Usually it does for BMWs, but for this Corvette Z06, it's actually to the chassis, to the frame rail.
So it's kind of like an angle in a way, huh?
So right now the bolt's already loose. I sprayed some brake luster. So that's gonna go ahead and just loosen up all the debris and iron whatever buildups on there.
All right, Daniel got the bolts out. I can show you guys the before and after. That's before. You can also tell the bushing's all shot, bro. It's from being old probably, right?
This is what they recommend you to get. Though this is like the OEM one,
Rubber.
but the OEM one, as you can see, it just deforms itself, and it just doesn't give you guys the best handling possible.
It's a lot better and hopefully lower too.
Oh yeah. Nick is gonna do the reinstallation process. You're gonna go ahead and feed it counterclockwise.
Where's the hole? This one, right?
Yeah, that's not what the viewers want to hear.
See, I work on my car sometimes. Daniel gave me the easiest job. The screw. This long bolt. It's taking a little bit longer because we're swapping the bolts out, but if you want to lower your Corvette on stock bolts, it's easy, huh?
That's right.
All the way on?
Yeah, that's all the way on, so that's gonna be the lowest drop that we get.
Which we want.
Yeah, and we'll start off right there, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do it afterwards.
Alright, you guys can see the bolt right there. That's the one we replaced. Alright, we're test fitting it. Let's see. What do you think, Chris? JDM wheels on the Corvette?
They should be white.
White would be hard. Also, I need some new lugs or something, huh? Or bolts.
You do.
These are kind of ugh, bro.
2007 bolts.
Yeah, these belong on Corvette wheels.
These lug nuts are older than we ship with half the viewers probably.
I know. No, honestly, this car is probably older than some viewers watching this video.
2007. That's 18 years old.
Really? Yeah, almost 20, huh?
Can't do math.
No, I'm bad at math. You know, I failed math. I failed algebra,
I'm done with
geometry.
Math. I'm done with math in college too.
I failed biology. I failed chemistry. Bro, I failed them, bro.
English class.
Oh, hell. Black ones that are smaller than the stock, so these can work, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, they definitely gonna look a lot better.
Did you get the paint?
Oh my god, we got the paint too.
You don't even get high. How'd you forget?
People think I get high with you every vlog. Really?
I wish you would, guys. I wish you would.
We had to buy paint because I want to paint like this, because the T's don't have center caps.
What are you painting?
So you can see like the rust inside the hubs.
Oh,
Same with the F82.
smart.
It's black, so you can't. It hides the rust, you know? Oh my god. You can't put it on?
Yes.
I need your muscles, Johnny. Let me see. I got it. I'm just kidding. I got it. You got it? Oh.
Yes.
You sure, brother? Oh, there you go. Whew. Looks sick, bro.
It looks like a drift car.
I know.
I would like.
I love it.
I would like it.
You love it?
I would
You love
like
it or
it.
you don't love it?
Shut the.
It's also got a shift knob. This is the stock one, which is honestly so ugly. And it feels weird shifting with it.
That's what was sitting there. I
Feel
was
it,
wondering.
bro.
Ugh.
So I got this one. This is black and clean.
Shift knobs look so weird to me.
Sit on it.
Oh.
Cupid Nick.
This guy smoked the out.
I just scooted the car front and back and took off the e-brake. Daniel?
Oh, damn.
I think it's too low. At least on that side. Oh my god, bro. There's no way lowering bolts do this.
That is insane.
Bro, this is too low. It's literally sitting on the fender.
Yeah, I have to go up on this side.
What do you guys think? It does look sick though. If only we were able to keep it like that, huh? Damn, it looks crazy. Sheesh. Bro, it looks bagged almost.
Oh, it lowered more. How?
It looks crazy. Probably raise it up a little.
You know what this is? I'll give you $100 if you guys guess what this is.
Bottle opener.
Shut up, bro. How you
Give me $100.
Nah.
Is it gonna fit? But that won't even fit, bro.
That's it.
Really wish we could keep it though, guys. But we gotta raise it up just a little bit.
Now it's starting to look like your car.
I know, it really is, huh? I had to make it unique, bro.
It looks good.
So the front, I think this is maxed out. It's the lowest we possibly could get it with the lowering bolts. Maybe it'll settle a little bit, I don't know. For lowering bolts, not bad, bro. Stock suspension, just lowering bolts. This looks sick. Sheesh, but that's the new wheel setup, guys. TE's on the Corvette. See, now I could drive it to car meets and stuff. Before it was way too stock. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks sick. I love it. This is exactly what I envisioned, bro. Also, Daniel helped me install the shift knob too, so this shift knob's way better than the last one. All right, we have our first issue. It's kind of rubbing, bro, and it's like mounting the tire. I think this side just settled a little more already.
It did.
Damn, it's like, look at it, rubber. Do you know what's sick?
What about me and David?
You can hit that stick.
No way you don't know how to drive stick. I think you know how to drive stick.
What a shame.
Be careful.
What a shame.
I know how to drive.
Go burn up.
One more.
Go. But don't.
I'm not gonna stall it.
You go.
No, I'm not.
Alright. Hell no.
Bro, it's not that hard, bro.
You ever been in a real man's car?
Ooh, he's something else, chat. Nick's gonna put this in the gas tank and see if it helps. You think it'll help?
We should try it, low-key, for a video. Put Red Bull in it.
This never turned on again.
All right, we kind of got the fitment dialed in now. We definitely had to raise it up in the back. I don't want to mess up the fenders, guys. This is gonna be the first car wash with the Corvette. We're gonna get it fully detailed inside and out. I have not washed it, not even one time since we bought it. So first detail by Essential Auto Spa, you already know. Oh my God, bro. The car is hella clean. This is the first detail, bro. But look how clean it is. The wheels are spotless. Tire shine. I love tire shine, bro. Look what Johnny did to the back too. Damn, bro. Brought this car back to life. Wow. Look at this angle right here, bro. Sick, dude. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. I freaking love them. Looks so good with the new lug nuts too. The black lug nuts, and then also the spray paint is black in here. Made everything look better. I gotta do this to the F80 ASAP. Looks like a brand new car, dude. But yeah, look, there's zero rust now. So much better. Sheesh.
This Mr. Stripes. You know what they call me in these streets?
What?
Zebra man. You know why? Because I keep them stripes on me.
New shift knob too. So much better. You guys understand that last one? It was just built weird. Like, I don't know why Chevy did that, but I don't know, American muscle. Now it looks very JDM, huh? Outside and inside. The only thing, like I said, the reverse, I gotta remember, it's all the way over here and not over here. G80 is left and up. This one's right and up. So yeah, I just gotta remember that. And the car is so clean. You guys don't understand how clean it is right now. I don't even want to touch it, bro. Like, this thing looks like it belongs in a Chevy museum, bro. I'm not even joking. Like, how does it look so good? Even the seats. Doesn't even look like anyone sat in the passenger seat. God, dude. Bro, the paint looks insane. That's another thing. Like, even the paint is such well kept, bro. Like, they for sure took care of this car. Not gonna lie, I feel like the car drives so much better and solid now. It has to be probably from like the new tires that are on the car, but also those bushings that we changed out on the bolts. The bushings on the stock Lauren bolts were shot. You guys saw how nasty the rubber was. Now the car just feels so much more solid. Like, I don't know, it feels more dialed, bro, in a way. The shift knob too, believe it or not, changes everything. All right, you guys are probably annoyed at me showing the wheels, but I just can't get over it. Look how good it looks, especially under these lights. I can't get over this car, guys. Like, it's definitely my favorite car right now that I have. But I'm not gonna lie, I got a sneak peek of the R8 right now. Woo! I might have just killed the R8 game once again, bro. The color we picked for the R8 is ridiculous. I just got a sneak peek, just a little bit. I just saw the back. Just that one picture that they sent me. Dude, the R8 is gonna be ridiculous. I can't wait to get that back either. But this might be my favorite car right now until I get the R8 back. I really wish I could lower it more in the back, guys, but it is rubbing, especially when I sit inside. That's the thing, like right now, when no one's inside the car, it looks kind of lifted, which I don't really like. But as soon as I sit in it, and then Chris or David come with me for a ride, bro, this thing squats a lot. It's pretty low, but not low enough for me. Like, I want it slammed, but it's not bad. It's really not that bad, especially when I'm inside of the car. It looks like a brand new Corvette right now. It's too clean, bro. I don't even want to drive it, I'm gonna be honest.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.